Hi friends, my name is Sham and you're watching Shreyas Infotech Tech Channel. Friends, today is the good news for Samsung Galaxy A5 users. Android 12, which is almost stable, is released for these users. If you want to get real feel of stock Android 12, then you have to follow this procedure. For installing this ROM, we need to enable 3 steps. Enable developer option, unlock bootloader, and the third one, install TWRP. First in first, let me show you how to enable developer option in any Android smartphone.
Go to your settings, about phone, software information, tap on this build number for 7 times. Once you are done, you will have this brand new hidden menu called as developer options in your settings.
Also enable Oem Unlocking and USB debugging. Let us our device boot into TWRP recovery mode by pressing volume up and down and power button simultaneously. Then we have to take a complete backup before we flash custom ROM. Select backup. We have to choose boot, recovery, system, data and modem. After selecting these, swipe right to confirm. Press on back. By wiping this temporary data, it will allow to cleanly install to this custom ROM. Select wipe, select advanced wipe, select Dolby Notcast system, data. After selecting this, swipe right to confirm. We need to go to here to install stock ROM. By pressing back, here you may find install. Select Android 12.1 ROM. Friends, here I have provide latest version of custom ROM and GApps which are suitable to your device. Please find in below description and you may download it. After selecting this Android 12.1 ROM, then swipe right to install. Click on back, select GApps. After selecting this, swipe right to install. Before we proceed to reboot our system, we need to wipe temporary data. Select wipe and swipe right to wipe data. After finishing all steps, we need to reboot our system. Press on reboot system. Friends, here it will take 2 to 3 minutes to reboot your device successfully. And I will show full features are given in Android 12 Lineage OS.
Continue in English. Press 2.
Okay, Google.
I can feel I'm changing. I don't know if I'll ever go back. All the ways that you make me, fill me up on the things I lack. I don't ever wanna lose you now, 'cause I don't think I'll make it here without. 'Cause it's you and only you. 'Cause it's you and only you. When I hold you close, in my arms with your eyes closed, for the first time I've got hope. I don't ever wanna lose you now. I don't think I'll make